So the hook, it stops us. We're scrolling before, the minute we see that hook, we're like, ooh, what you talking about here? Let me see it. So that can come from your heading, that can come from the cover page of your reel. So every video you post, you can create a cover page and upload. So some of you create videos, and after creating those videos, when you post it, you notice that it is black. So we're just coming to the page and we're just seeing that black thing at the background. You can actually remove that with the cover, cover page, right? Create a cover page with a different title that is attractive and will stop us in our tracks. Okay, then show us the body of the video. Yeah, we see, we learn, we're entertained. Okay, before you close. Okay, remember, you have to be entertaining, you have to be inspiring, you have to be motivating, you have to show us something that we would really love to see. If not, we'll skip it. And the more we skip, Instagram will realize we hate the video. If we hate the video, algorithm will hate you too. So even if you are creating reels that we hate, algorithm will hate you because you are not doing stuff that we love. All right? Algorithm is favoring us. It wants to push things that we love. So whatever you can do, right, to help you deal, right, to help you connect with us, the audience, to help you touch our senses emotionally, right, that would make us want to continue, will make us want to watch that. That is what the algorithm will love. So that's what you should be doing.